Unlocking the Fun of School Competition, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that you might have come across in your English learning journey: school competition. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what school competitions are all about and why they're so important. So, let's get started. School competition refers to any form of contest or competitive event that takes place within a school setting or among different schools. These competitions can vary widely in nature, from academic challenges, like spelling bees and debate contests, to sports matches, such as soccer tournaments or track and field events. The key aspect of school competitions is that they encourage students to put forth their best effort, showcasing their skills, knowledge, and sportsmanship. There are several types of school competitions, each with its own set of rules, objectives, and rewards. Let's explore a few. Academic competitions. These focus on intellectual prowess and include quiz bowls, science fairs, and math olympiads. They aim to promote learning and critical thinking skills. Athletic competitions. These involve physical activities and sports, emphasizing teamwork, physical fitness, and determination. Examples include basketball tournaments and swimming meets. Artistic competitions. From music battles to art exhibitions, these competitions celebrate creativity, talent, and artistic expression among students. Technology competitions. In our digital age, coding contests, robotics tournaments, and other tech-related competitions are increasingly popular, highlighting innovation and problem-solving skills. Participating in school competitions has numerous benefits. They boost confidence. Competing and succeeding can significantly enhance a student's self-esteem. Encourage teamwork. Many competitions require teamwork, teaching students how to collaborate effectively. Improve academic and social skills. Competitions provide a practical application of classroom knowledge and help in developing interpersonal skills. Foster a competitive spirit. They prepare students for the competitive nature of the real world, in a supportive and controlled environment. School competitions are more than just contests. They are opportunities for growth, learning, and fun. Whether you're competing in a debate, playing in a sports tournament, or presenting your science project, these events can be incredibly rewarding and memorable. We hope this video has shed some light on the exciting world of school competitions and inspired you to participate or support them in your community. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.